What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chicken egg rolls. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need ground chicken, green onion, Napa cabbage, carrots, egg roll wrappers, sugar, flour, soy sauce, oyster sauce, minced garlic, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, sriracha, honey, and red pepper flakes. Sliced Napa cabbage. Peel and grate carrots. Finely chop up green onions. In a skillet, add ground chicken. Season the taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add veggies to the skillet with chicken and stir for 5 minutes. Place the chicken and veggies in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a bowl, add a ½ cup of flour and slowly mix in water until you get a gooey consistency. Now it's time to make our egg rolls. Add egg roll mixture to the wrapper. Push one end towards the other end. Fold in corners. Apply flour super glue and roll. We recommend placing your egg rolls in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. While our egg rolls is in the freezer, we're gonna make a sweet and spicy sauce. In a pot, add a ½ cup of honey. Add 1/4 cup of sriracha. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes and allow your sauce to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Fry egg rolls at 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Allow them to cool and fry again for 3 minutes. And there you have it, chicken egg rolls. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.